right there. Hell no.
Woo! Here we have my 2017 Q60. We're installing this rear diffuser. It's gloss black. Came with a third brake light and a strobe option. So we're gonna show you guys how to wire that, and then also how to install it. So kind of just winging it. Looks like the diffuser, this black piece, it will separate from the rear bumper, and then from there we'll be able to install this one.
All right, so we're gonna have to feed this wire down from under the car through this little hole right here.
Top one. If you know, you know. So we're gonna drill through right here. From there, we'll be able to see an opening from the bottom to feed the wire through. So there's a couple of screws right here. One like right in this corner, but it's on the back side, so I got a 1/4" ratchet with a 10. And slowly kind of feeling for where they're at. I think there's one more right here and one right there. Yeah, there's tabs. Oh, there we go. One more?
It'll wax off. Why are you taking it off?
Install this guy.
Oh, sick ass diffuser.
Just a little look at the exhaust. So it looks like these 4 bolts will go in right there and on these 2 things.
So I'm just gonna go around adding 3M tape just to get extra things to stick to. I think it was like 150.
Really?
Yeah. The carbon fiber ones are maybe like 4 to 7 depending.
All right, so this is how we're gonna get the wire through. I fed this wire through from up top, and it's right here, it came out. So now we're just gonna tape it and then pull this wire through, the wire that goes to the diffuser. Now we just gotta pull it through.
Don't be like me, put a towel under this. Alrighty. Okay, and just push it. That way the tape holds it for now. I probably should have heated up the tape.
Yeah, huh?
It will? No, I shouldn't. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, it looks good. Looks very clean. I'm gonna get a heat gun and then kind of heat up the plastic just a little bit. That way the tape sticks on better. Yeah. Too low. Again, we'll put a link in there. They're pretty expensive just because they're carbon fiber. I think they're around $280 or so. Kind of expensive. Like I said, I would have gone with gloss black, but I only have this. I only got one shot at this.
What do you guys think, with or without? Looks good.
They're bolted on.
Oh. Yeah. So it came with 2 extra little pieces. Nah. Yeah, that's too much.
This guy, no cap.
That's clean.
And that motherfucker's attached there too.
All right, so I'm getting ready to wire up the third brake light. I kind of don't want the strobe effect when I press the brake pedal. I find it kind of annoying. So I have a battery right here just to test. So I have my black or negative. It's a negative, the negative pole. And I'm gonna just touch the white wire, the positive, and see what that does. So that gives us a solid light. Now we're gonna try the red right here. So the red wire is what's gonna give us our strobe. Like I said, I don't want that, so I'm gonna leave that bare and not tapped into anything. So we're just gonna tap the black and white wire into the tail light. It's probably a blinker.
Yeah, it is a blinker.
It is, huh?
Bro, we're 2 for 2.
I'm on the shrooms right now.
Is that why?
I will see that.
We're awoke.
What? Wait, hold up. Oh, yeah, it works now. Go again? Yep.
So white went to the green and white wire. Black went to black. It's a mess. They're not gonna be able to tell.
Yeah, so white to green and white and black to black.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Fuck.
Alright, so here's the car with the diffuser and the seat vents installed. Looks ridiculous in person.